Okay, so this is the A1 floor plan. We've already filmed another one that is the A8. But this is the A1, and it's actually bigger. So don't pay attention too much to the number of the floor plans. Just look at actually what I'm seeing in the floor plan right now. So this is the walk-in shower, and you've got the bed and bathroom combination. This is the closet, and then hey man, look at this bedroom. You've got these floor-to-ceiling windows. You got some fantastic views of Victory Park waiting for you with a great balcony here. This is amazing. So really love this. Great space that's available for you, and then you've got a really nice built-in over here just for books or art or whatever, and then you've got a nice area for storing kitchen things or some other things that's in there, and maybe for pantry as well. And then you have a great kitchen. It's really cute. It's a galley kitchen that's here with some pretty appliances. And then look at this. These views are incredible. These views are amazing. I mean, this is just spectacular views. Over there, by the way, that's the Perot Museum. That's a really cool museum to visit. And then over there is downtown. But look at these views. This is awesome. It's just amazing. So you're going to be able to walk to everything. You're going to have some fantastic adventures here in your 2-bedroom. This is the other bathroom and bedroom. Again, floor-to-ceiling windows in here, so lots of light. Just a great deal for you. And that's the closet. And then here is the bath in there. So this is fantastic. Perfect place to plan your Dallas adventure, and at a great price too. Just look at those views. Absolutely love those views.